IELTS Speaking Part 3. Topic: Weather. Question: do you think the seasons still influence people's behavior?
Yes, I do think the seasons still affect how we behave. We still wear different clothes depending on the weather, and clothes shops change what they sell according to the season. We also adapt our habits and daily routines according to the time of year. For example, people in my country like to eat outside in their gardens in the summer, but we can't do that during the other seasons. On the other hand, I don't think we notice the change in seasons when it comes to food. The big supermarkets import food from around the world, so most people don't buy seasonal fruit and vegetables anymore.
This concludes IELTS Speaking Part 3. Kindly leave the topics or IELTS questions you need answers for in the comment section below. I will create videos to address those. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for new and useful learning material uploaded every day. Thank you for listening.